teacher. Today I am making my leprechaun trap. The coin, 4 green stuff, and I am also going to make a green ladder. And we have a hot glue and a cutter, and we have slime.
Are you gonna make the rainbow now?
Yeah.
Good girl. Down. No. You put it down. Look, it's not gonna level anymore. Just put it like this. Look at Mama. Stick it right there. Go. Tap. Now we need to cover here too, okay? In this part. Next, gold. Use the orange one.
It's already open.
Yeah, make it big. So the leprechaun can read it. Yes, that's right. Next. Good job.
Free gold.
Yeah.
There.
Now put at the back of the free gold. Like that. More. Did you put a lot? I see.
Free gold.
Eh? Too much because we on the other side too, because we still need glue right here. More right here.
Make sure it fits.
Everything.
Make sure it sticks.
More right here.
Godliness is next to godliness.
You are right, baby.
There.
Now, I want you to put this. Okay? Match. This part, remove it. Oh.
I am going to use green, blue, yellow, and pink slime.
So what are you going? This is gonna be the last one that you're gonna put. Okay? Now go put it on now. What color do you want to put first?
Pink. Come on, get out.
What's next?
Blue. Yellow. And green.
Are you using the glow in the dark slime?
Yeah, it is glow in the dark slime. Wow, so jiggly.
It is jiggly. Look.
Wow.
Do you think you can trap the leprechaun with that?
Yeah.
Okay, now, what are you gonna put?
I'm going to put gold coin.
Maybe you put it like that.
Chocolate.
Make sure the leprechaun can see it. I mean, he can see it. Make it stand all around like this.
It looks so slimy though.
Wait. You wait. You put it like that.
It looks so slimy.
Now put the glittery ones.
Ew.
Put this. Go.
Ew.
Oh, I said you put this.
Oh.
Go. Put that.
Can we also do this? The green leaf.
Yeah, I know you can put it right here.
Can we peel the paper off?
Put
And
it
one
here.
more part over here. The paper. There. So jiggly.
You can put it here now inside the box. Now get the ladder and the rainbow.
Do, do, do. And also the sign. Teacher, next we're going to put the sign here.
What does it say?
Free gold. There.
Put a lot so it will stick.
Stick.
T
T
H
H
I
I
S.
S.
Baliktad. It's okay. Next, W, big letter. W A Y.
Why? Just like the day of the week. There.
Baliktad. Where's the leprechaun going to there? Ooh.
Presenting my leprechaun trap. Like a teacher, I had slime inside a bowl or a jar. Can you see that? I covered it up though. Can you see it now? See it in there?
Can you show them how are you gonna trap the leprechaun?
The leprechaun will first climb on the ladder and he will step on this, but he will fall down in here and slide into there and he will get stuck in there. And it says free gold for him to get it, but he will get stuck.
How is it gonna stop? Why? Because
of the slime. Because it is going to get so jiggly and so strong to get.
can you show them?
It gets stuck this see? It just stuck it. It's stuck. Ew, it's stuck already. See? When you let it get there, too many. I also had the beautiful gemstone. Can you see a gemstone? Like the gemstone? Those are just pretend gemstones.
What colors did you use? Right
I
here.
used red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, and purple.
Red, orange,
Yellow, green, blue, violet.
indigo, and
Violet.
The colors of the
Rainbow. Like this one. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue.
and
Yeah, they are super beautiful.